So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another interesting question today. So let us quickly look at the problem statement. Here a triangle PQR is given and it is also given that ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR. Now we have to find the perimeter of triangle PQR, this bigger triangle. Here are, we can see that there are two triangles, EST and PQR. So if we want to find the perimeter of any triangle, it is simply the sum of the side length. That means perimeter will be PQ plus QR plus PR. But the problem is that PQ is not specifically given to us. Rather, PQ, QR and PR are given in terms of x. So first we have to compute the value of x. For that we will use triangle proportionality theorem. What is triangle proportionality theorem? Let us see. In triangle PQR, you see these points S and T. They are such that if you join S and T, this ST is parallel to QR. If such a triangle exists and such a line parallel to QR is drawn, then this point S divides PQ in two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. Likewise, point T divides this PR into two parts, that is PT and TR. So say for example, if we draw it separately, if this parallel line is such that it divides this side in the ratio A is to B and the other side in the ratio C is to D, then A over B is equal to C over D. This is the triangle proportionality theorem. So we will apply this theorem in order to find the value of x. So in this triangle PQR, ST is parallel to QR. So using triangle proportionality theorem, we can write PS over SQ is equal to PT over TR. Now let us substitute the values. PS is 4x minus 3. SQ is 3x minus 1. PT is 8x minus 7 and TR is 5x minus 3. Now in the next step we need to cross multiply. So here it will be 4x minus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 3 is equal to 8x minus 7 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Now we will expand the bracket. So 4x times 5x is 20x square. 4x times minus 3 is minus 12x. Then minus 3 times 5x is minus 15x. And finally minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. Similarly, we will expand the bracket on right hand side. 8x times 3x is 24x square. Then 8x times minus 1 is minus 8x. This will give me minus 7 times 3x as minus 21x. And this will be minus 7 times minus 1 is plus 7. Now we will rearrange these terms. So first of all, let us simplify like terms in left hand side. So this is minus 12x minus 15x. So 20x square as it is, and this will be negative 27x plus 9 is equal to, likewise here also, 24x square minus 29x plus 7. Now we can shift the 20x square on the other side. So 24x square, this is already there, 24x square was already there. This 20x square went on the right hand side and it became minus 20x square. Minus 29x was already on right hand side. This minus 27x will go on right hand side and it will become plus 27x. Plus 7 was already there and this 9 will come and it will be minus 9 is equal to 0. Let us now simplify the like terms. So 24 minus 20 is 4x square and this will be minus 2x and this will be minus 2 is equal to 0. So we will divide this entire equation by 2. So we will get 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation in order to get the values of x. So we can use either the quadratic formula or splitting the middle term or anything like that. So I am going to use splitting the middle term. So we can write 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can take 2x common. So this is x minus 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 1 common. So x minus 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to 1, and from here we will get x equal to negative half. So we will discard this and we will take the value of x as 1. Now we will substitute the value of x here. So this PS will be 4 times 1, 4 minus 3, that is 1. What about SQ? So 3 times 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the measure of length PQ is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So we'll write down here 3 plus. What about QR? So QR will be 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Again this is 3. So plus 3. And then for finding the value of PR, first we have to find PT and then TR. So 8 times 1 is 8 minus 7 will give us 1, and here 5 times 1 will be 5 minus 3 will be 2. So here 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So finally we have found the perimeter of triangle PQR as 9 units. So I hope you understood this problem, and in order to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.